Twende nyumbani. Can I please take you home? Twende nyumbani.
Hello good people, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, anza subscribe. Kama ni mara yako ya pili ya tatu yani umesha subscribe, well then thank you for being here. Mwalimu Rachel is my name, and yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now the last time we were doing this, I was cooking fish. Yeah, I was cooking fish. Sasa basi, just in time, nataka kupika samaki. Unajua mimi napenda samaki sana sana. Na nilikuwa napika fish nikupatia uhondo wa neighborhood, ndio? Kama kupika lazima umbea. Naombea nakwambia udaku na. Also, if we're doing this, it's a totally different kitchen, moved houses, as you can see, bigger kitchen, lots of space. I know I still don't like doing the dishes. Don't give me pressure. So, leo lakini nataka tupike a different meal, again a Coastarian meal, viazi karai. Kwa nini inaitwa viazi karai? One, because utahitaji viazi karai ikiwa ndio mimi shaiona. And by the way, no makeup on this face, okay? Because it's Sunday. I don't bother with makeup on Sundays. I'm in the house, I'm chilling. It's all about me and my family and food. First thing you've got to do is, of course, peel the potatoes. Alafu unaweka ndani ya sufuria boiling water. The white stuff you can see hapo ni crushed kitunguu saumu, inaitwaje? Garlic. Why the garlic? So that ikaweze kuwa na ile ladha. Viazi karai ile hasa original lazima ipikwe ikiwa na mtuzi ule wa kando, na si stew lakini ni ukwaju. Sasa ukwaju yani tamarind. This is the tamarind. So this, okay? I'll show you the raw form in just a bit. Lakini hii ndio ito ukwaju. Again, the white stuff mle ndani nini? Crushed garlic. Okay? Because I just love garlic like that. I really love garlic. And the other thing I'm going to add in this mixture over here is onions. Oh, JJ, come and say hi. This is so deja vu. Chef family yangu samaki, just in time. Sasa Jabari unatokea wapi wewe? JJ. Yes. Mambo. Jabari was such a young cowboy. Say hello. Hello. What? Okay, scary guy. What's this about? So you wear it nicely.
Yeah. Hi guys.
And bye.
Bye.
Alright, bye-bye. Have you finished your homework?
Almost.
Umefika number?
41.
41. Aye, all the way to 100, boy. All the way to 100.
Okay.
All the best. He's a sweet kid. Great. And yeah, years of good, eh? Years of gold. So I want to show the tamarind in its raw form. Uone ukwaju wa kaje ikiwa mti kabisa. Sawa? Just hang on. I got you good, didn't I? I actually thought of this after I had edited the video. It was too good to pass on. Hiyo ndo ukwaju. Ukwaju. Nilichukua ukwaju. In fact, this is the leftover from the other bunch, and I soaked it in water. Okay, just soak it in water as is with the twigs and everything, and then you'll notice itaanza kutoka kutoka ile miti. So you discard away the twigs, and then you sieve. All right, you sieve that mixture. It will be thick with the seeds and everything, so that now you can get the juice out of the seeds, right? Utapata sasa the liquid and the thick liquid, okay? Try not to add too much water because itafanya iwe nyororo sana, na mtaki ukwaju ambao ni mwepesi mno. Unataka iwe rojo lakini si maji. Sasa ndo nikaweka the crushed garlic, some salt. Ukitaka unaweza weka pia pilipili, kama hutaki basi weza kabila. I'm going to try with different spices today. Nitaangalia kama naweza weka black pepper kwa mbali, alafu niongeze sasa vitunguu. My potatoes are ready, as you can see there, nice and hot. You don't want them to overcook, but it's the extra moto, nafaa kuhakikisha. So, now ordinarily I'd use this big cooker over here, but Kuna venye tu leo najisikia Mswahili. Yaani hii yanifanya nikumbuke ni kama ni jiko la makaa. Sina jiko langu la makaa limezeeka. I need to get a new one, so I just want to sit down. Swahili style. Raha ya umoja ni kusikizana. Now let's cut the onion. My eyes. Next order of business is to put the food coloring in the flour. Viazi karai huwa na ile unga ya juu, that outer coating. It's very simple to make. You just need flour, you need food coloring. Bam! You add a little bit of salt in the flour, ndo pia iwe na kale ka taste, iwe na salt, alafu take a food coloring and then maji ya kawaida tu. Don't put hot water. If you do that, it's going to turn into chapati or, pancake. You don't want that. You just want it to be a bit runny, okay? Sasa tuwashe jiko. Alright. Okay, good people. Sasa tunajia wakati wa kuchoma viazi. Karai ndio hiyo. It has oil, of course. Try to always keep it 3/4 oil, not all the way full, okay? It has to be hot. Sasa tunatumbukiza alafu nakimbia. Viazi ndio hivyo. Tools of trade, you need this spoon. Hii sawa, ni kijiko hii ambayo ina matundu mengi. Hii ni tu bati ya kawaida yangu, nimewekelea foil ndio once they land here they still remain hot. Kupika mimi huwa napenda kupika sana na vidole. Sawa? Make sure that you have washed your hands thoroughly. Cholera ndio hiyo. Bwana wewe, tutaki watu wagonjwa wakienjoy viazi vyako. Kwa hivyo, iwe whatever you're cooking in the kitchen, of course, number one rule is be very, very, very clean. Wash your hands, okay? You want the whole potato like that, you see, to be coated. Vizuri. How you know the pan is hot? By smelling it. Use all your senses in the kitchen. Smell, sight, hear, taste, touch. That's how we know. Sasa unaona mimi siweki nikikimbia. Imagine I do sliding into a chick's DMs. That's how you should do it. Okay, just slide like that. Okay, just slide. You need to be very careful when you're doing the turning of the viazi. Kwa kama wewe si lefty kama mimi pia itakuwa shida, inaweza kumwagia mafuta. Kwa hivyo taratibu tu wageuza. You have to taste. Don't come in a chumvi. If everything is okay, maybe you need to add 1 or 2 things hapa na pale. Salt. Viazi vinaendelea kuongezeka. Now I read something interesting the other day. A chick was trying to tell a story on Twitter. There's this guy who was an accomplished lawyer, but because of civil strife in their country, they had to evacuate, like they had to run away and be immigrants in another country. And you see, at that time, as much as you are a big shot lawyer from where you're from, you can't go and offer those skills because in this foreign country, hawakujui, hauna documents, hauna nini. You understand? And you're an immigrant. So he had to start making some moving things. I can't quite remember what this guy started making, but he started using his hands. And this guy now was telling this chick that as much as you might be good in, say, broadcasting or lawyer or, an engineer, this, that, and the other, you must have a skill where you use your what? Your hands. Because you just never know, God forbid, if, civil war broke out in Kenya, you had to run to Tanzania, ama Uganda, ama Rwanda. Ukianza pale maisha afresh without anything in your pocket, what would you do? Learn a skill where you use your what? Your hands. It goes a long way. Hey, that one struck hard, Got me thinking. With even what I'm doing right now, with this cooking, there was a time I was telling my friends that, you know what, if all this is taken away from me, God forbid, the money, the house, the this, that, and the other. But I still had a jiko, or I could say, get me a jiko, karai, na mafuta, na chumvi. Jamani, ningetoka nje ya nyumba vizuri, nianze tu kuchoma viazi vyangu nikiwa nauza. Unajua? Kwa sababu I know how to cook these things, so I would still use it to generate income. Look at all those little things that you like to do, and you can survive from them, at least until you get back on your feet. One guy who is definitely using his hands, his legs, his everything to do something really amazing is this guy called Martin. And he started creating awareness on this condition, health condition called hyperhidrosis. In fact, that's the t-shirt I'm wearing right now. Can you see? So, there's something really amazing. Last month, he cycled from Nairobi all the way to Kisumu to raise awareness. And for those who don't know what hyperhidrosis is, I'll put a link to the video where we're talking about it. But basically, excessive sweating. Palms, arms, underarms, legs, feet. That can be quite uncomfortable for many people. And Martin has that condition, but he's living with it and managing the condition. So there's a way you can actually get in touch with him. He's got, self-help groups. Amefungua page pale Facebook, so that if you have the condition, don't think you're alone. Many people have it. And I think we either know someone or have met someone who has that condition, and you think, anakuanga tu ana sweat tu hivyo mwili yake. Yeah, but it's still a condition that they struggle with kiasi. So get to know more about hyperhidrosis, so that next time you're linking up with your friend who has it, you won't, judge them at your kwani also it's kila mara and stuff like that, because it hurts their feelings. So shout out to Martin, who was able to actually do that and accomplish his mission. I've been supporting him, and even my company MRX Media, and just helping him spread that the message that one can live with hyperhidrosis. It's not the end of the world. And however uncomfortable you may feel right now, there's a way you can manage the condition. So shout out to you, Martin. Tukisonga. Looks so mashy, I know. What meal do you love preparing? I mean, I don't cook as often as I want to because of just my crazy schedule, but I dedicate Sundays to cooking for my family and just making them feel loved and that I've not forgotten them. And I also enjoy cooking. Mimi nikiwa hapa, mimi si Mwalimu Rachel. Hapa mimi ni mama wa nyumba. So for those of us who are watching and love to cook, hey, more power to you. And hopefully hii recipe inakusaidia kidogo.